hair wash day, so I'm going to take you guys into the bathroom to wash my hair with me. The first thing we're going to do is start by rinsing our hair thoroughly. You can use any temperature that you find comfortable. Temperature doesn't really matter, but when I say thoroughly, I mean thoroughly. Before I shampoo at all, I give my head a really good scrub while I'm rinsing. I'm using my Wella Ultimate Repair shampoo. You can see that I added it on, but I'm really not getting many bubbles. Even though I'm scrubbing really well, I used a good amount of shampoo. I don't add more though. I just keep scrubbing and then I rinse. And what I'm going to do is do a second shampoo. The reason your shampoo is not lathering is because your hair is dirty and it's attaching to all those dirt molecules, not sudsing up. Once your hair is more clean, you're going to start to get more suds like I am here, and that's going to be how you know that your hair is clean enough. If you still don't get any suds on your second shampoo, make sure you do a third. And what I was just showing you there is you don't want to scrub your head with the palms of your hands. You want to get in there with the tips of your fingers. Then you're going to wring out a lot of water, squeeze it, don't twist your hair, and then you're going to do your conditioner starting on the ends and then working your way up through the rest of your hair. You don't have to rub it into your scalp or anything, but don't miss entire sections of your hair just because they're close to the top. There we go. Hair is all washed. I hope you guys found that helpful, informative. I know to some people a tutorial on washing your hair may seem super basic, but I actually get a lot of questions on it, and there are a lot of people who may not have been taught how to wash your hair correctly. And washing your hair incorrectly, though that may seem like something you can't do, you actually can wash your hair incorrectly. And while, you know, nothing terrible is going to happen if you wash your hair the wrong way, it will cause you to have more struggles with things like product buildup, oily hair, and whatnot. So if you are someone that struggles with oily hair, especially fine-haired people like the majority of my viewers here, washing your hair this specific way can help to mitigate some of those issues you have. So I really like to every once in a while reiterate how to properly wash and cleanse your hair so that you can have optimal results when it comes to your daily styling and your hair care routine. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or just to say hey, because I love to hear from you guys and hear your thoughts on my videos. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and share my videos with your friends so we can keep growing here on DIY Hair School. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.